Hello! Welcome to Skyline 2050. Thanks to our initiatives around the world and everyone's commitment, we've now achieved carbon neutrality, and we owe it all to our pioneers. It all began back in 2018 in Suzhou, China, on the Saint-Gobain Abrasives site. After racking their brains to find an energy source able to reduce their factory's carbon footprint, plant manager Kang and his team needed a little break. So, walking outside to get some fresh air, Kang realized he'd forgotten the one piece of gear that's absolutely essential in the area: sunglasses. Turning to head back in, he stopped in his tracks. He had just had an idea.
We'll use the sun as our energy source.
Yes! With all that sunlight, that was the solution: solar panels. Yes, but to really reduce the emissions of such a big factory, they would need to install a whole solar farm. But where could they find enough space for it?
Easy. We'll put it on top of the parking lot's carports.
It seems Kang had an answer for everything. And while they were at it, they would put a few panels on the building's roof, because why not? And so, before you know it, after getting the government's approval and choosing the right providers, the solar farm was up and running in 2022. And it worked.
We installed a 3,200 square meter solar farm each year. It generates 400 kilowatt hours of electricity and reduces emissions by 215 tons.
But Kang didn't want to stop there. He and his team had the great idea to capture the steam created during production and turn it into energy. They also insulated their kiln and installed a temperature control system for it.
This steam as an energy source reduces our CO2 emissions by 101 tons per year, and optimizing the kiln's temperature reduces 16 tons per year.
Building on its success, the team is taking on a new challenge, supplementing their solar energy with biofuel. But that's another story. Check back to Skyline 2050 soon to see other pioneers.